Welcome to Ashford International.
Okay, now approaching is a tamper from Ashford Crane Depot to Ashford Crane Depot. That's all I know so far. Coming into platform 1C. Someone's decided to turn up. $73,917. Five Yankee 74 from Ashford. This has come all the way round from Deal, Canterbury West from here. 375916 from Ashford International. Shortly to leave platform 1C is the 1150 to Ashford Crane Depot. $73,917 to Ashford Crane Depot. I don't know what Colasman is doing. Okay, now departing is 375916. On the surface I have no idea what it is. It's off to Folkestone, I know that. 375916 to Folkestone East Train Road. I have no idea what he's working.
Charing, Lenham, Harrington, Hollingford, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Derby, Westwood, Borough Green, Kempsey, Oxford, Swansea, St Mary Cray, Bromley South, and London Victoria. This train has 8
That's the 1225 to Eastbourne via Ryan Hastings, 171803. What you just said. 377517.
Charing, Lenham, Harrington, Hollingford, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Derby, East Goarly, West Goarly,
510.
Kempsey, Oxford, Swansea, St Mary Cray, Bromley South, and London Victoria. This train has 8 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Charing, Harrington, Hollingford, Barming and Kempsey should board the front 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
Okay, now leaving platform 2 is the southeastern service of Grove Park. 465192 154 and 466035. Four 192 465154 and 466035. To Grove Park, I take it. Also departing is a southeastern high-speed service to St Pancras International. 395025 Victoria Pendleton. Who looks to be not in service. So it's going from Ashford down sidings to St Pancras. Rather slowly. 395025 to St Pancras International. Don't worry, that's only stuff going across the Mount Trav upstairs. Okay, it's time for some foreign cars. D-Delay 1643, DB Cargo UK service from Toton North Yard to Donaldsmore Sidings. Should have 66198. 66198. Couldn't be bothered to fill up the top. 66198 to Donaldsmore. I'll go on then, since it's a 375. The 7th. A very slowly moving 375. Oh, that's why he stops at the signal. Is he coming through or not? Yes, he is. The 1702 southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross, and a 373 on the left-hand side. 373219. Amazing how I can still read them. Considering that's going at what, 100 miles per hour. 375608 with a nice driver. 375608 to Charing Cross. And now I'm gonna get the next sandwich, brackets Ramsgate, instead of waiting for the Pullman, because there's a fault with the signalling system now. Whoopee. Time for a threesome. On the far right is the 1710 Southern service from Eastbourne. Far left, so him there, is the 1709 southeastern service from Ashford down sidings to St Pancras, and in the middle there is the early 1722 DB Cargo charter service from Broadstairs to London Victoria. On the southern we have 171802 high speed 395026 Mark Woods. 67005 second unit on the left, 395017. 67024.